Hi guys, how are you all doing today? Now we are going to prepare and kept our meat pie away to preserve it. The work has been done. The work, the deed has been done. Okay, let me arrange them and go and throw them inside the freezer. In case anybody that is hungry, we just go to the freezer, pick some meat pie and warm it and eat it. So this is the work. Okay. Then I am the one that is going to eat the rest tonight. I done a great job. Okay. This is it. Let's go to the freezer and systemize it. Ha! Wait, I don't have too much space on my freezer, but I have some space in my deep freezer at the garage. Okay, so I just have to keep some things away from here. This stew, let me keep it here. Okay, so that is how they are going. Where? Okay. Oh, my freezer is filled up. Okay, let me drop one here. All right. This one, yeah, everything entered. Okay, but I'm going to one of these days I'm going to empty the freezer because it's too loaded. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you.